Hi, I'm Pete. Welcome back to Move Advisor. Today we are going to see how much it costs to hire movers in Las Vegas for a local or a long distance move. Let's get started. First off, local moves within Las Vegas. Full service movers charge around $90 per hour. So a one bedroom home would cost anything up to $540, a two bedroom up to $1,300, a three bedroom up to $2,400, whilst a four bedroom home you're looking at around $3,600. Of course, these are just averages, and each home move has its own unique challenges. Move fewer things, move midweek or outside the peak moving season, and your actual costs will be lower than these. If there are flights of stairs or no parking outside your front door, then the cost could be higher. So whilst these figures will give you a basic idea of the cost involved, it costs nothing to get an actual quote from a local mover in Las Vegas, and it takes just a couple of minutes. Head on over to moveadvisor.com/quotes to get 4 free, no obligation quotes from full service movers. Whilst you're there, you may also want to get quotes to compare how much it costs to hire labour only for your move. It pays to explore all your options and work out which is most cost effective and best for you. Next up, let's find out how much an interstate move out of Las Vegas could cost. Let's start with a move of 250 miles. For a one bedroom, budget up to $3,700, a two bedroom $5,200, a three bedroom up to $5,700, and a four bed up to $6,700. For a 1,000 mile move, budget up to $6,200 for a one bedroom home, $6,900 for a two bed, $8,100 for a three bed, whilst a four bed could cost up to $8,400. For a 2,000 mile move, you could pay around $6,000 for a one bed, $7,500 for a two bed, $9,000 for a three bed, and up to $10,300 for a four bed. Again, these are just averages. Your move could be a lot cheaper or more expensive, depending on how much stuff you have, the time of the year you are moving, and how easy or difficult the moving truck will be to load. Head on over to moveadvisor.com/quotes to get 4 free, no obligation quotes from full service movers now to get a more accurate estimate for your move. Okay, so there are some big numbers there, but hiring movers is about value for money. What price do you want a mentally and physically easy and stress-free move, where all of your precious items will be handled safely and professionally so you can concentrate on having the best start to your new life? So there you have it, a quick guide on how much it costs to hire movers in Las Vegas. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more essential moving guides. And be sure to head on over to moveadvisor.com for reviews of movers in your area, to get a free quote for your move, and to discover ways to make your move cheaper and easier. Thanks for watching and happy moving. Till next time, bye.